It's that Super Bowl, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Super Bowl.
Hello guys, welcome to our video. And in this video today we are going to learn how to make some cash using the enrollapp.com website. Now this basically is a website that pays you for testing other websites. So you just get paid for testing websites. So what you just have to do is register with a link that I'll post in the description section below, and then I'll post the link in the description section below. And from that link, after creating an account, you have to do as many polls as possible so that you can ensure you get invited to many tests, and the payments are always made via PayPal. And another thing that you should know, enrollapp.com is US based, so it's only applicable to USA residents. But what happens if you are not a USA resident? So what you have to do here is that you have to use a USA. You have to use a VPN with a USA server. So the first step, you have to connect your VPN. So if you're using a computer, or rather if you're using a phone, you can download any VPN. So for me, I'll be using HMA for the computer. So you can also find other VPNs from Play Store, and you can also find other VPNs for your computer. So ensure that you connect to a USA server. This is done, so we're connected. Now you can see you're connected. So the next thing that you have to do is just come to your browser and ensure that go to ipapi.com so that you can confirm actually your IP address doesn't read your actual country if you're not a USA resident, but it reads the country which you've selected the VPN server. As you can see, for my case, my VPN is connected to New York, and as you can see from ipapi, you can see it is also New York. So we're good to go. So after that, you can open another tab and search for enrollapp.com. So here you can decide to sign up. So just sign up using your email. Ensure you take that and that, then you just click on enroll now. So and decide to save. So the verification link will have been sent to your email address. So what you just have to do, you have to log into your email so that you can check. So what I do here, I just log into my email address. So you'll receive an email from Shona. So you just have to click confirm my account. account. So after clicking that, so that is for confirming, and here you are, your email has been successfully confirmed. So what you do, just sign in. And here we are. So you have to complete your profile. So just put your name. So this is the process of setting up profile. Just click on accept challenge, then do this, then you put your PayPal email, so after that just click continue. So that is the email in which they'll be sending your funds. So just select your language. So for me I'll do English, and select English is my native language. Then I continue. Then as I told you, this is a US based website, so you have to have USA details. So here you have to fill the phone number. So you need to have a USA phone number, and for those who do not have, or rather don't know how to get a USA number, I uploaded a tutorial on how you can get one. As you can see, there is a tutorial here of how you can get a USA number. So you can just open that tutorial and you can so from here, just follow what I do. I ensure that your profile is closely related to mine. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but make it just follow what I do, so that you can get chance to be invited for taking tests.
When I feel closer by your side, when I see your velocity cry, nah, never let me to take a bow, but never on me when I was down. But yesterday I was falling out, what makes me feel nice. But yesterday I was loving you, I was loving you, and yesterday I was loving you. What makes me feel nice. But yesterday I was loving you. You say nobody like me, but I can't forget the time that we live, time that we live, time that we live.
registration. Here we are. So as you can see, sweet, you're approved. So just take me to my dashboard. So here, what you have to do, this will be the first question. Just so what you have to do here is you have to answer as many polls as possible. So you have to answer many polls as possible, because these polls are the ones that determine whether or not you will be sent a survey to complete. So as you can see, for example, here I've just completed this is just a one answer. One poll or rather one answer is equals to 1 point. So you have to complete several points, and it's actually very fun. So you can, when you're free, you can just do this, just answer them randomly. So the more the polls you complete, the higher your chances of being invited for a test. So when you've done quite a lot of them, or rather when you continue doing them, in your email address you'll be receiving some mails from, for example, Shona from Enroll. So after completing as you can see, these are sort of my other account. I have accumulated a total of 3,000 points, 3,500 points. So from all these points, I was able to be invited to quite a couple of surveys, as you can see them. So when you are just invited, you just open that mail and then you click on take the test. So for now, this will not be valid because I've already taken the test. So this was just for showing you. So this is the first email. So just click on take the test, and also always be keen on the supported devices, because sometimes you get mails that are only supported by desktop, rather only supported by phones and tablets. So you should also be keen on that. And so about the payments are always done at the 11th day of the month. So as you can see here, 11th day of the month. So as you can see here, currently we are in August. So the next payment I'm expecting, as of now, I'm expecting $1.9 that is due September 11th, and my last payment was made as you can see August 11th. This actually was my first payment, because I actually didn't get to work much on it because I was just testing this site, but as I received my payment, so I just continue working on it. So 11th August I was paid $1.6, and as you can see here, I also have the payment proof from PayPal. Just a bit. So as you can see here, these are Inca sent you $1.6. So this is always the message from Enroll just sent me the $1.6. So what you have to do here, you just have to complete as many polls as possible, and as many badges as possible, so that you can increase your chances of being invited for surveys. So that, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below.